Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this entire section, we are going to learn about settings. And in this particular video, we will begin with general setting, writing setting and reading setting. So go to your dashboard and then hover over settings and then click on general. In the general setting, you can change your site title. You can write your new site title here. You can also change the tagline, which I will do right now. So I will write the best place for tech news. All right. You can also change the WordPress address and the site address, but I don't recommend you to do that. Okay, because this is something which is taken care by the WordPress itself. If you upload this website on the internet, then this will change automatically. So don't ever change this. Okay, here you can change your admin email address. I am fine with hi@gmail.com. And again, if you have any question or any suggestion, then you can email me at this address. Here you can change it, but I'm not going to do so. And this one is important. The membership one is important. If you want people to register on your website, if you want your viewer, your normal visitor to register on your website, then you will have to check this box, because I want anyone on the internet, I want anyone to register if they want to. And here is a new user default role. Subscriber is fine, and we will talk about it in the next section. We will learn how we can create new user and what are the different user roles. So subscriber for now is fine. Just make sure that this one is ticked, that anyone can register. This should be ticked for that. And scroll down. Here you can change the site language. This is fine for me. And here you can change the time zone. So I will pick a time zone, this one, UTC plus 5 and 30 minutes. And here you can change the date format. I am fine with this date format. I actually love this date format. If you want to change the time format, you can do that as well. I will do it. I will click on this one. I like this one better. And if your weekday starts on Saturday, then you can choose Saturday here. Mine starts on Sunday. I'll click on Sunday and then I will click on save changes. And now the general settings has been changed. I will visit this website in a new tab, and here you can see right here in the title, the best place for tech news. The tagline has changed. Alright, now let's just go to the writing section. And here you can pick your default post category. I will pick tech here, and what will happen after you check this one? Well, whenever you are creating a new post, this tech category will be automatically selected. This tech category will be the default. Okay, this will be the default category for all your posts, and obviously you can change it. Alright, you can change that, it's not a problem. But I want my default post category to be tech, because obviously this entire blog is about tech news, so tech is fine. If you want to pick Android, but Android will be a bit specific, that's why I'm not doing this, so tech is fine for me. If you want to pick others, you can do that as well, but tech is fine for me. And here in the default post format, well, I am building a blog application right now. Okay, so this standard is fine for me. If you are building a audio website, then you can pick audio if you want. If you are building a video sharing platform, then you can pick that. If you are building a image specific website where you just post images, then you can choose these images. But I'm going to choose standard because I want the standard format. And here you can ignore this one. You don't need to worry about it at all. And then click on save changes. Alright, now let's just go to the reading area. And here you can choose how your home page is going to look like. Right now it is selected as your latest post. Now what does this mean? Well, it means that your home page, this page will contain all your blog posts. It will contain the recent blog post. We have made blog post here, so all these blog posts will go in the home area. If you don't like this, if you want all your blog post to reside in a blog page, you can do that as well. And for that we will have to create two more pages. We will create a home page and then we will create a blog page. So let's just add a new page. I will write home and I will just write some text here. So this is home page. I'm just doing this to show you this setting, how to work with this and stuff like that. So add new page, I will click here and then I will write blog and then I will click on publish and then publish and then that's it. I'll click on this button here. This will take me to the dashboard and then I will go to this setting and then I will click on reading. And here I don't want my latest post to go in the home page. I don't want that. So I will click on this and here I can select my home page. So what I will do, I will click on this button and then I will click on this home page which I just created, and the post page will be this blog page. I will click on that and here you can choose the number of posts that will appear on your blog page at a time. Now suppose that you have created 1000 posts. You don't want all your 1000 posts to appear in your blog post at the same time. You don't want that. You'd want that feature where you have page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5 on your blog post, where the recent 10 blog posts will belong to the number 1 page and the older one will belong to the second and the third and the fourth and so on and so forth. So you can do that here. I'm not going to change this setting for now and all of this is fine. Make sure that you don't click on this one. If you click on this one, then your search engine visibility will be affected. It simply means that search engine will not be able to find your website and obviously it will be bad for your website and your business if you're running a business. So just click on this save changes and I will show you the effect of this change. So right now just go to your home page, click on this button to refresh it, and now you can see that the page which we just created is in effect. This is our home page. It's pretty blank. We just wrote some text there and this is the text. So this is our home page. It looks pretty blank. And now if you click on this blog, then you can see that this blog page now contains all the posts that we have made, and this is what I was showing you. So now our post page is this blog page and our home page is this home page. I don't want that. So I will click on this one and if I save changes and if I go back to this home page, then you will see that my home page now contains all the blog posts which I actually want, because we are building a blog website. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video we will talk about discussion and media. So I will see you there. Bye.